couldn't even hold it together.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're here at Summit Lab.
Nice.
We're still here at Summit Lab, and we will be for the next 2 weeks. So get used to it. What?
You're looking at me all the time.
I don't know why you're still.
Okay guys, while Faith struggles to get out of the engine bay, welcome back to yet another one of our videos here at our shop in Park City, Utah. Thank you guys so much for all of your concerns. We're doing fantastic here because, are you working out?
Oh my gosh.
Welcome back to yet another one of our videos here at our shop. And yes, of course, we're gonna be working on the Ferrari some more. So we got everything all laid out right here. We're going to be installing our brand new FabSpeed exhaust system. The headers, the high flow cats, the O2 sensors, the valves, the X pipe, the tips, everything. We're gonna just do it all.
I don't know why you're looking at me. You gotta tell them that. I know what we're doing.
Okay, yeah, that is what we're doing. That is what we're doing.
Oh, I forgot. We have one more box from FabSpeed, and Clayton and I have no clue what it is.
We have no idea. So I figured we'd open this box, see what's inside. Surprise box. Mystery box.
Yeah.
Mystery box. Then we'll go over the plan of attack with every other component for today. But
okay.
I'm dying to know. Let's just open it.
Okay. So I saw a lot of you guys correct me on how to open a box. So I'm following your instructions and cutting away from me.
She's cutting directly right at my face.
I hope you guys are proud. Cutting away at an angle like someone else said, so I don't cut into the contents. Okay.
We do read you guys' comments, by the way. Uh-oh.
Bubble around.
Okay, I see the smile. I see the grin. What is it?
Are you kidding me? They did it again.
Again?
They did it again.
Is it like a super duper surprise?
Go away, go away.
Hey, what? Come on. What? Whoa! Whoa! Where are we gonna install that? Let me hold it. How heavy?
It's so heavy.
This is like, that's probably 10 pounds.
For sure.
Yeah. Whoa.
FabSpeed, you guys. All right. For now, we're gonna set it next to its brother. Nice and safe. But man, I feel very special. Thank you, FabSpeed. We're still trying to figure out a good place to put this because we want it in a good spot. But
we gotta present all these cool awards and collaboration things.
An award for being
us.
Us, I guess.
Yeah, so we're thinking about redoing this whole room right here. As you can tell, it's kind of half storage, half business office, but we kind of want to redo it. Maybe do like this whole wall right here, like business collaboration, logos, awards, like our YouTube plaque. What do you guys think? If we did like a video redoing our office space, would you guys watch that? Let us know.
Let us know.
Okay guys, well, before we get installing things, I need to go through a game plan with you guys. You know me, every time we have a project, I like to think it through step by step, make sure I got everything prior to getting under the car. So right here, we got the headers. We're gonna be installing those first. So these look a little bit different than like the last video, and that's because I wrapped them in fiberglass heat wrap, and I didn't include that on the video because it was very frustrating and very time consuming and very boring. But basically you just wrap each tube and wrap the collector, and that way it kind of holds in the heat a little bit, sends it through the exhaust instead of to the components around the headers, because there's like AC lines, AC compressor, there's like computers and wires, and you don't want those like going through crazy heat cycles. They'll become brittle and break. So we wrapped them in that. Should be sufficient. A lot of people on the forums do that. So we're gonna be installing the headers first, then bolting the catalytic converters onto the headers. Then we're going to be installing these exhaust hangers, then the valved exhausts, then the X pipe, then a little like right angle elbow, and then those satin black tips.
And then where does Sal guy come in? He's like, them treats for me. Just sitting here waiting for Clayton to get his gloves out of the dryer. Good boy, you got your gloves on?
Got my gloves on. I need one of those creepers. That's what there is. Thank you guys in the comments. The crawly thing is called a creeper. I need one of those. Okay, wish me luck. Let's figure out how this
Me and Sal are rooting for you.
goes in. Let's see.
Here we go. Clayton, Clayton, Clayton. You can do do it. Clayton. Clayton. Good boy.
Thanks to your cheering, I got it on.
Nice. So that was all Sal. So that went quicker than I expected. So that's good. Now you're tightening all the bolts.
Yeah, so I have to go through and put on all the nuts on the head stud, or not the head studs, the just exhaust header studs.
Header studs.
Yeah.
Sal, where'd you go? Oh my gosh. You're under the couch again? Doing a little dance. You got ants in your pants or something? You got the bolts all screwed on and stuff?
Well, finger
tight?
Yeah.
Yeah, it got really tight back there, so we had to take his gloves off, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Took one for the team.
I'm already feeling itchy, but I can't feel the nuts with the gloves on.
Yeah, it's a bummer. It's such a tight space back there. There, yep, this right here is your gas tank, and you got your springs right here, and oh, I see the problem here. You got a Clayton in the engine bay.
Yeah, sorry, I'll be out in a minute.
Guys, if you want to know something about Sal, it's that he always wants to be in the same room as us, but he doesn't know what to do. So he just stands. Sal, get my lap. That'll do. That'll do. Speaking of Sal, a lot of you guys have commented that you figured out that SAL stands for Summit Auto Lab, and that's Sal's name, and that is confirmed. That is where we got it from. Right?
Yes, conspiracy theory confirmed. They're so smart.
Our followers are smarties. One header complete. Nice.
Thanks.
Gotta help Clayton out in some way, so gonna hand him the next gaskets for the next header. Hey, you all, mate. Quit showing us your butt. Here's one header, mate.
Thank you.
Be careful with your hands, mate.
Nope. Ah,
Oh,
there we go. I'll get the oil filter over there. Come on.
figured it out, you guys. Found another way.
Yep.
If there's a will, there's a way. Inspirational quotes.
Quotes.
False alarm, folks. The hole did not work, so we're going from the top now. Okay, I think we're overcomplicating it for ourselves. When in no problem. That's a tight space back there.
Yep.
Jeez.
It's not as tight when you're like underneath.
Yeah.
It's more open than it looks from up top.
Ah. What do you want, Sal? Oh. Rule number 1 with Sal: when he asks for pets, you can't say no.
Okay, guys, headers are installed. I'm gonna go wash my hands and forearms.
Can Faith help now?
Yeah, so we need to install the O2 sensors that go into those. So she already found the tools.
I did.
So there you go.
Okay.
Go.
What am I doing?
You're taking the plugs out. I told you.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, did you get it?
Excuse me. Yes.
Thanks. Oh, nice.
Oh my gosh. Butterfingers. These next clips, you can watch me feel useless while I watch Clayton work.
Sensors are in.
Nice work, team. Wait, hold on. One last serenade. Let's do this. Do this.
Do you want to install that? Yeah, you can install that. Right?
Bracelets. Very fashionable.
Wrong end.
I'm testing you.
1 on top, 2 on bottom. Yep, just like that. And then you're going to use the impact on the screw side. Perfect, just like that. Do that for the other 2.
Oh, guys. I did that. That's what I did. I did that. Look at them O2 boys. Yeah?
O2 boys. O2 sensors are also installed, ready to go, rock solid. So the next thing is pretty important. It's these right here, the valves. How these go on will determine where the tips sit in the holes or whatever. So we got to figure this out.
Like a glove. I think this is like the most useless I've ever felt.
Useless?
Yeah.
No, you've done.
I've literally been watching you do everything.
You've done a lot of stuff. What are you talking about?
I screwed 3 bolts in.
No.
Yeah. You know it's true. That tone you just used.
No.
We go in X-pipe mode.
Yeah, we got X-pipe time right now. So this is like the most tricky part of installing the exhaust. In my experience, is like having both sides meet up.
And that's what I'm here for.
Thanks, baby.
I'm having flashbacks
Of what?
installing the Cayman exhaust.
Yeah, that was rough.
That was
Nothing
super
lined
rough.
up at all.
Yeah, this has been much more enjoyable than that, I will say.
Yeah.
It's coming together. Nice. Nice.
Found something Faith can do.
Finally, she can tighten this bolt.
And what are those bolts for?
The hanger.
The
They're really
exhaust
cool looking hanger.
So the exhaust sits right on top of it. We got a big U-bolt that bolts on there. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
I'll tell you.
Not yet. They don't have to watch this.
You guys, we're almost done. We're gonna kind of speed up the last process because it's taken forever, but Faith's going to be tightening up the catalytic converters to the headers. Then we're going to be tightening the sleeve connections from the catalytic converters to the valves. I've tightened the X-pipe up. I've tightened the X-pipe hangers. So this is rock solid. All right, let's tighten some bolts.
Let's do it. All right, E-bolts. I'm coming for you. You don't stand a chance.
Good job, Faith. Good job. Nice. Now you're all dirty, sorry.
So name the game. You can't work on cars and expect to be clean after.
Nope.
Nope. That already is making me a little excited. Ooh, nice. You too, Sal? You too? Yeah, same. Perfect. I think it's safe to say that we could probably put IKEA furniture together.
Oh yeah, piece of cake.
If we can put an exhaust on a car together, IKEA furniture can't stand a chance, right, Sal? All right, the tips are on. Those look so much better.
Yeah, very different than our other tips, but definitely an upgrade.
Definitely. Now we can let our hair loose, because that's it, right? That's pretty much it.
Yes.
Say the magic words. It's it.
That is it. Well, we do need to put the under tray on. We need to put the diffuser on. We need to put the everything back together.
All of the viewers are asking one question.
What does it sound like?
Start it up.
Okay, we started up. I think so. I just went over all the bolts, make sure they were all tight. You guys have hung in here long enough.
That's pretty solid.
It's pretty solid. Let's go give us this. This is gonna be insane. It's pretty late too.
Ooh.
Let's see how our neighbors feel.
Just kidding. Please don't hate us. We're not gonna start it.
Yeah, so today's video is just an install, you guys, but make sure you click subscribe so you do not miss the next one. In the next one, we're gonna do the first startup. We're gonna compare it to the older one. We're gonna go rip this thing. Yeah.
Oh yeah. And yeah, please don't dislike this video. I know you're super mad. Like it, help us out, and we can't wait to see you in the next one.
Yep, see you in the next one. Peace.